Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make a mouth-watering one-pot creamy garlic parmesan pasta with spinach. So, let's get started. To begin, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need some pasta of your choice. I'm using fettuccine, but feel free to use any kind you like. We'll also need fresh spinach, garlic, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, butter, salt, pepper, and some vegetable or chicken broth. Now, it's time to cook. In a large pot over medium heat, melt the butter and add the minced garlic. Stir it around for about a minute until it becomes fragrant and starts to sizzle. Be careful not to burn it. Next, we'll add our pasta to the pot. Make sure it's well coated with the garlic butter. Then, pour in the vegetable or chicken broth, enough to cover the pasta. This will infuse the pasta with amazing flavor as it cooks. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and cover the pot. Let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the pasta is al dente. Once the pasta is cooked, we'll add the heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and a handful of fresh spinach. Gently fold everything together until the spinach wilts and the cheese melts into a creamy sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and if you like, you can sprinkle some additional grated Parmesan cheese on top for extra cheesiness. Yum! Transfer it to a bowl or plate, and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or basil for a pop of color. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes, and let us know in the comments below what other dishes you'd like to see next.